They need to run this back when it's summer, because that's what it's giving. This is good. Almost like a pina colada. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Burger King just released the SpongeBob lunch. I'm not sure what it's called, but I'm headed there now. I'm about to pull in actually. So I'm kind of nervous because I've seen good and bad reviews, but I don't eat onions and tomatoes on my burger. Ketchup and mustard and mayo and all that. I don't do that. But looking at the reviews, it comes with that on it, and I don't do that. So we're gonna see if I can do it plain Jane, y'all. I ain't grown enough for it. And this line is pretty long. Oh, there it is. Hello, give me 1 second.
Let me know when you're ready.
Okay. Okay, so the price isn't bad. It's $14.99. And you get the SpongeBob Krabby Whopper and the Mr. Krabs cheesy bacon tots with the pineapple floats. And everyone's been talking about this, y'all. That strawberry shortcake pie. Everyone's been talking about that. And I'm really excited for that and the pineapple float, but I'm about to try it. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Okay, let's get it. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm not gonna hold you though. Like, I'm not getting all the onions and stuff on it. So let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna do the Bikini Bottom Bundle.
You want the Bikini Bottom Bundle?
Yes.
Okay, you can go.
On that burger, I don't want any tomatoes and no onions.
No tomato, onions, you can go.
And no mayo.
No mayo, you can go.
Easy on the ketchup and mustard, please. And
So like ketchup, like mustard?
Yeah, and no pickles.
Like ketchup, like mustard, and no pickles?
Right.
Okay, so I got no tomato, no mayo, like ketchup, like mustard, no pickles.
That's correct.
Anything else?
That'll be all.
Okay, that's $16.49.
Okay. Y'all, normally when I come here, I get the number 3. It's the Bacon King with the Dr. Pepper and my 12-piece chicken fries. That's my normal order. I hope this don't disappoint me. I am so scared, and I didn't get it all the way because I'm gonna spit it out if I taste an onion or a tomato and pickles. Like, I can't do it. I can't do it. It's not a true review. I know. But I want to see how the bun tastes. That bun. I see that it's yellow. It says bun color from Natural Spice. I'm a bit scared for real. Y'all, we just be trying any little thing. The government allows it and we just try it. Y'all pray for me. People like me that just try anything. Because on the next video, the Taco Baja Blast is next. And that alone, from what people are saying, is like $21. And it's a whole pie. So y'all catch me on that next video. Y'all be on the lookout for that. But yeah, I'm scared. I'm scared. But let's get it. Okay. Y'all, it's here. I'm so nervous because I don't like wasting money on food. I'm so nervous. Y'all, I clearly said no onions, no tomatoes, none of that. None of that. I ain't looked, but I can smell it. I know it ain't right. I know it ain't right already. But before we get to the burger, let's get to these bacon cheesy tots. They ain't even closed it. Lord, Burger King. Okay, this is how they're looking. Red. They look a lot spicy. They stink. That might be the cheese. But let's see. Not fresh. They're stale, as if they were sitting out on lunch. Yeah, no, I don't like them. That is a 4 out of 10. No. Here's the burger that I know that's not right, because I said no onions and etc. But was it meant for me to try it all like this? Anyone else's reviews, I don't know if it's supposed to be like this. But is it supposed to be like sloppy and room temp? And because most times when I get my Burger King food, is fresh. This, and hair on my onion. I can't do an honest review with the stuff on it. I can't. I'm sorry, y'all. I can't. And it stinks. Who eats onions if they not grilled? Who eats straight yellow onion or white onion, whatever kind of onion this is, raw, just warmed up in a microwave? Who does that? Burger King kind of made me a little annoyed just now. Messed up my little spirits. I was already nervous. Okay. Alright. So I took everything off. Burger King, come on. I love your burgers, but this is making me nervous. Okay, so the bun is obviously, oh shoot, oh well, the bun is obviously yellow.
I don't remember on SpongeBob the buns being yellow. I thought they were like a golden brown. I don't know. I ain't seen SpongeBob in a minute, but let's bite into it. I don't know where. Okay. It tastes like a normal Burger King burger. And just without... I thought the bread would have some flavor. I don't know why. So well. So the next thing is what everyone's been talking about. I'm so excited to taste this. Did they put this? Yes, they did. Something it. Do Burger King still do the Hershey's pie? I used to kill them. I don't know if they still carry that stuff. But oh, it's so cute. Look. Come on, camera, focus. Yeah. It smells really good. I hope it tastes as good as it smells. I'm gonna eat this food because it was $16. I'm gonna eat it. Oh yeah. Burger. 7 out of 10. Like a normal Burger King burger. This, I will come back to get this if I want something sweet. It really reminds you of the I can't even talk. Remind you of the strawberry cheese. Remind you of the strawberry shortcakes, the ice creams that you get from Walmart or Food Line. That's what this reminds me of. It's so good. 8 out of 10. Alright. Last, what I'm really excited for. And y'all, the pineapple drink. I'm excited. They put cold foam on top and it smells like pineapple. It smells good. Please don't disappoint, please. Why would they give us why would they give us slush as a drink? Cold foam don't have no taste. They need to run this back when it's summer, because that's what it's giving. This is good. Almost like a pina colada, especially with this cold foam on top. That is good. This and that cheesecake. Go get them. This and the cheesecake. That's it. Go get it. That is good. That was good. Y'all go get it and take your babies out to the movies to go see SpongeBob. Only in theaters. Go take them. That is all for this review, this Burger King review. I hope you guys enjoy. Please be on the lookout for the Taco Bell review with the Baja Blast Pie. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, loves.